Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the OS error and how we can handle OS error in Python. An OS error in Python occurs when a system related operation fails due to various reasons such as file or directory not found, permission denied, or other operating system specific error. It encapsulates a broad range of error that can happen during the interaction with the operating system, like let's say that attempting to access a file that doesn't exist or trying to create a directory without sufficient permission. It's like encountering roadblock while navigating through the system. It prevents you from completing the intended action or task. Let's think of an example that if you're trying to rename a file but you are lacking the necessary permission, then Python will raise a OS error. Handling such error is essential to ensure your program can recover gracefully or provide appropriate feedback to the user saying that you do not have access to this file or that file is not present over there on the directory. So let's create an example. So first of all, I'm going to import OS, and then let's say that I'm trying to rename a file saying that OS using rename function from OS module. So I'll put os dot rename, and then I'm going to give just random file name which is not present in my directory, to be very honest. So old underscore file dot txt, and now I have to give the new name which I want to replace it with the old name, right? So I'm going to say new file dot txt. Okay, now if I run this, what will happen is that Python will give me an error. Okay, so let's run this. You can see over here that file not found. Okay, so this is a subclass of OS error, and if I want to handle this error, then what I can do is that I can simply put everything in my try block saying that try to open this file or try to rename this file. If you encounter an error, then check if it is OS error, and I'm renaming it as E or giving alias as E, and then I'm going to print hey user OS error occurred, and then I'm going to give the detail of this error. So let's run it again. Now I have this message saying that hey user, OS error occurred, error number 2, no such file or directory, old file.txt, new file.txt. So in this code, Python attempts to rename old file.txt to new file.txt, but if the operation fails due to an OS related issue such as permission denied, or there is no file or directory, an OS error is raised. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the specific OS related error, which you can see over here, error number 2, no such file or directory. So Python helps us to identify what was the specific OS error it is that has occurred in our program. This allows us to handle the system related error effectively and maintain the robustness when interacting with the operating system. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.